What's up, viewers? Welcome to a brand new episode of Twins TV. As promised Lambo content, here's what we'll do, is tackle the brake calipers, put on new orange Lamborghini stickers, new brake lines, and repair our burnt support bracket. This is important for the first meters we're going to make with the Lambo. I'm really looking forward to it. Because yes, our rims have been fixed up, but the brake lines need attention. In this episode, we'll be working on a project that will have a fantastic end result. I'm excited to get started, so let's dive right in. Let's go! But first, I want to thank Signs.nl very much for sponsoring These stickers will go on the brake calipers. Orange, of course, which matches the car very well. Guys, enough talking. Let's lift the car up, take the wheels off, and let's go. Alright guys, this looks really good. As you saw in the footage, we removed the wheels, took off the brake calipers, and replaced the brake hose. Take a look here. It's leaking too. Here you're missing an entire coating, a protective layer. And the brake hose on the left side is really burnt. Take a look here. It's leaking too. Here you're missing an entire coating, a protective layer that you can see here. And also, the brake calipers, the left brake caliper has a Lamborghini logo, and the right brake caliper doesn't have a Lamborghini logo. And the rest don't either, by the way. We only have one Lamborghini branded brake caliper. We're going to change that. We'll do the right side too. The front looks perfect, so we won't do anything there. So, yeah, let's completely disassemble these brake calipers and take full advantage of the situation, grease everything up, and once they're painted, we can put everything back together nicely, and we'll always have perfectly working brake calipers. I've talked enough. Let's take it apart. This is my new workbench.
We haven't had this before either. It works really well.
Let's go. As you can see, we've covered the car and we've removed the brake disc because you don't want any paint on that. We've also removed the brake pads from the caliper. That way, you'll get the neatest result. And yeah, let's start sanding. Then you can apply the color, sticker, and clear coat. No sooner said than done, let's do this. The last clear coat layer has just been applied, and it looks really good, guys. The shine is phenomenal. Let's go to the car. We took the cover off. Check this out, it's shining like crazy. Unbelievable. The brake calipers still need to dry, so yeah, we might as well fix it for sure. Luckily, there's still a camera truck. An hour and a half later, new. Installed a plug boot rubber, and it was quite complicated. Normally I take this side off, and it was quite complicated. With new rubber around it, one thing remains: assembly. In the car, let's do this. Really great news, the drive shafts are in with the heat shields. Because it's also compact, assembled in the back, everything is actually protected with heat shields to keep the heat away from every little rubber part. We've reached the brake lines and rear brake calipers, and that's what we're going to do now. Let's go. Musica. Music. Musica. Music. 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 Musica. Music. 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 So guys, that's it for this episode. Unfortunately, we've done a lot of work, even though you couldn't really see it in this episode. Unfortunately, we had to take off our catalytic converter again to mount the wheel spacers. You also saw that one of the spacers was broken. Of course, we replaced it. And guys, I'm really happy with the end result of the brakes. They really look great on the car again. we were still doubting whether we should make them completely orange, but this is nice and subtle, that orange that comes back. And it also comes back in the seatbelts, so completely orange would be too much. This is a nice compromise. I want to thank Signs a lot for the stickers. We're really happy with them. Let us know in the comments what you think. If you think the end result is super cool, leave a blue thumbs up because we're definitely really happy with it. In the next episode, we're obviously going to bleed the brakes because you have to wait a bit for the final result. Well, you already see a kind of final result, but when the wheels are on, you'll see the whole picture. And of course, step by step, we're getting closer to the Lambo. These are all things that need to be done to be able to drive. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. That's the best way to support us. And you'll see us again next Friday with a new episode. Are we going to take it for a spin then? Who knows? See you then.